Y'all, grab bags are back at Michael's. Oh, Christmas boxes. Christmas mystery boxes. Yay! Welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina, and like I said, today we have mystery boxes, the $10 grab boxes. They call them grab bags that you get from Michael's when they've clearanced down the stuff for the season down to the point to where they just want to get rid of it, and you get a box full of surprises for $10. And let me tell you, it's always worth it. Oh my goodness. Christmas stuff. Christmas stuff. I decided just to sit on the floor because I've got 4 boxes worth. 3 for me, 1 for my bestie. We'll probably just pick through and see what we want. But yeah. Let's see what I got in my first grab bag. So the first thing I see, there are these little lights. Maybe I need to get closer. They're little star lights. I've got them in gold and silver. They're called Ashland LED crafting lights. They're worth $15 a piece. In the set, you get 8. This one is warm white light LED lights, and this one is cool LED lights. So very cool. Great for decorating. We've got some pine cones. I actually used to make these. I'd go out and pick the pine cones myself and dip them in glitter. But very cute, great for decorating. We've got some more of the starlights. Oh, this one is pine cones. Very cute. Oh, they have a timer. 6 hours on, 18 hours off. Very cute. And they're battery operated. Adorable. I'll be set for lights. Some more silver stars. More silver stars. Oh, look at these. So these are disc ornaments. It's a pack of 8 clear disc ornaments. $12.99, DIY plastic ornaments. Very cute. There's another pack of those. Got some more pine cones here. Y'all, look at this. Look at the cuteness of this. Yes, I did open all these last night with my sister because she wanted to see what they were all about. This is adorable. This is also Ashland, the pre-made for Christmas. This is a $24.99 arrangement. And I mean, that's a nice little vase there. I paid $10 for all this and more and more. Yes, I am a child. Foam stickers. Oh, little Christmas trees. And how cute are those? You know I'll use these. These are card kits. Okay, so these were probably for Valentine's Day. $2.99 each, and it shows you on there what the card would look like. Very cute. This is mesh. It's mesh on a roll, but it's very cute. $12.99. These are brilliant for crafters. Some more pine cones. I'm gonna have glitter all over the floor. Another one of the card making kits. Some ornament hanger thingamabobbies, large ornament hooks, $2.99. Oh, look, cookie cutters. Oh, cute. A 12-pack of cookie cutters. Santa and wreaths. And I can't even. Just trying to look for a price. $12.99. Cute cookie cutters. Ribbon. This is $25. If I'd bought it in the store, $25 a piece. Very cool. Great for wreath making. Here's another one. Oh, look at this one. That is adorable. I love that one. $12.99. Black and white. Little red ribbon. This was $12.99. Some more card making kits. Got a few of those. Oh look, another arrangement. Look how cute that is. $24.99. That's too cute. See, I mean, those two things paid for 3 boxes if I had bought them in the store. More cards, more card making kits. What is this one? Christmas Cookie Storybook. It opens like a storybook. It has your recipe for sugar cookies and the instructions on how to make them, and it comes with the cookie cutters. It's 12 cookie cutters. That is super cute. $14.99 is the value on this one. And these are Pom Pom Craft Kits, $4.99. Craft Stick Ornament Kit, $4.99. These are great if you have kids and they love to do the crafting. Sewing Ornament Kit, where you put the little hem around it, very cute. A dough kit. Color in ornament kit. Okay, this one doesn't look particularly Christmas or Valentine's, but that's okay. Foam stickers, more foam stickers. I love the foam stickers, y'all. Very cute. Y'all, I keep looking over there because my camera's on the TV, so I'm trying to see if y'all can see if it's focusing or not, so don't think I've just gone weird. I was weird the whole time. Alcohol ink card kit, $14.99. So make 6 cards. Very cool. Very, very cool. And there's another one of those in here. So that's one box. Oh my goodness. I'm going to put all this stuff back in there and we'll look at another one. We're back, y'all. We're going for the second box. I might put this in 2 videos, do 2 boxes in each video. But yeah, oh boy. Here we go, another box. This one has, these are wall decoration craft kits. There's a little wreath decoration. Look how cute that is. Oh my goodness. And here's another one. These are $12.99 if you'd have bought them in the store. Very cute. Ornament craft kit. Look at that little stocking. Oh my goodness. $7.99. There's another ornament craft kit. That's the same as this one. This one's a little Santa hat. Oh my goodness, they're falling everywhere. A Santa hat. There's another stocking. Another stocking. Oh my goodness, I'll be set for craft stuff. Look at this little guy. It's Santa's jacket, and you can just put it down in your, you know, in your vases and whatnot. How cute. $6.99 for Santa's little jacket on a stick. We got some floral. $8.99 for this. $8.99 for this if you'd bought it in the store. Wow. Okay, let's move on. That one's cute. That one's really cute. I have to be careful. The cats would probably try to chew on it. Doesn't have a tag on it, so I don't know how much it was, but very cute. More craft. 3D wood craft kit. Hanukkah sets. Very cute. $6.99 for this floral. Very pretty. With the little berries and the little snow on there. A candle set. Tapered candles. It's 4 candles, 3 purple and the pink. Very cute. $7.99. I got another little Santa jacket. I don't know what that was supposed to be, but I have a feeling it's broken. Whatever it was, it used to be $3.99. Yeah, got me. I don't know. Oh, what are these? yarn craft kits. Very cute. Very, very cute. $4.99 a piece. Here's another pom-pom craft kit. Another sew ornament kit with Santa. Another stocking ornament kit. Some more foam stickers. Oh my goodness, the cuteness. There's a little, I see a little elf in there. Eee, I love stickers. Some more florals, $6.99. This one was $1.99. Him could be made to look cute. Actually, there's three. There's three in that set. It says one piece, but there's three tied together. $6.99, another cute little berry set. Same one. Another little berry set. Oh, I can make a whole wreath with these things. This one has a sliced orange just sticking out of it. Okay. Another berry set. Very cute. Several more of those. A sewing ornament kit with Santa. More foamy stickers. These are stars. Very cute. Some more foamy stickers. Yay for the stickers. Oh, look. It's black and white and round all over. It's a little wood ornament. I guess you could put somebody's name on here. It's $1.99 at the store. Another Santa hat kit. These are like cake toppers, cupcake toppers with little gingerbread man and peppermints. Cute. Another Hanukkah 3D woodcraft set. Two more of those. Three more of those. And another Happy Hanukkah sign woodcraft kit. And the last thing in here is this cute little Let It Snow 3D craft kit. This doesn't look like it's wood though. It looks like it's ceramic. It says Let It Snow. Very cute. I don't know if y'all can see the Let It Snow on there. But you gotta paint it. And this would have been, where's the price? Oh, $7.99. So that's 2 boxes worth of Michael's $10 grab bags. I definitely feel like I got my money's worth. I just have to figure out what I'm going to do with all this stuff. Y'all comment below. Let me know what you think of this. I will see you in part 2 of this video to open the other 2 boxes that are over here on the other side of me. I hope y'all enjoyed this. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Subscribing to my channel is free and I really appreciate it a lot. Don't forget to share with your friends, press the notification bell, and if you want to donate to the cause, which is revamping the studio, there are 2 ways to do that. Super thanks down below. It's like tipping through YouTube. Or you can go to buymeacoffee.com. Unboxed by G is where you'll find me. Y'all have a wonderful day and God bless.